All right, so here we are again at West Mountain. We're gonna go pick up a Toyota Tacoma. It's in a really steep place, it looks like. Apparently he's had a couple other people out here and they flat refused to even get close to it. So we're gonna go check it out and give it a look. If it looks like something we can do, then Ben's picking up his rig and he's gonna meet us out here. So he's gonna be a little ways out. We're gonna head up West Canyon or West Mountain and see what it looks like. Enjoy the show. See what I mean about how I didn't want to turn while I was on the hill?
Yeah, we went from right up between there to that green bush. You don't want to turn around? Look at the camera's pointing off somewhere else.
Not. So if we had keys, I'd say let's just throw a rope on it right there and just drive it up.
You drive it up around there?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit looser in places, but I think a straight shot up that's going to be a lot better than trying to traverse around things. That's not a road where he's on, it's a washout. That's where water has gone down and animals have hiked through.
Hopefully there's lockers. He just doesn't know about them.
For low, traction control, no rear locker. Probably because it's the sport, not the off-road package.
Yeah, the racing one.
It must have been a heck of a ride yesterday or last night when this happened. Especially for some young kids. They've been up here before on four-wheelers, but that's totally different than in a vehicle, for sure.
Start throwing a lot of rocks and stuff. Make sure you're off to the side. Make sure you're not anywhere directly below it. And obviously not too close. So, see you guys at the top. Ready for a bump?
feet and start together.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Go ahead, back up. Right there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, we are back down at the road. We're gonna go ahead and air up his tires. We got T airing up and Ben airing up. We're gonna air up his before ours.
Get them on the road and we'll take care of us.
Thank you.
Yeah.
A lot.
All right, so we're gonna get you aired up and get you on your way. We do have a little something for you though.
Okay.
Something to remember this fun event by.
Yeah.
So these are our stickers with our YouTube channel on them. And then we'll go ahead and give some to your buddies and your dad too.
Thank you.
You bet.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Yeah, thank you too.
You didn't have any doubts?
And you too.
Yeah. Nice to meet you guys.
Not even once the XD is actually built, I will not be doing it again.
Even with that, I wouldn't have gone down that.
Sometimes
What are you talking about? You did.
Twice.
Well, not without a really good reason.
Yeah.